Another tip on this 2-wire system, and really any kind of wiring you're doing on your irrigation system, is to always do your splices in a valve box. Now I can't stress this enough, and I think it's probably one of the most important things, and sometimes one of the kind of misconceptions that it's alright to splice them anywhere as long as you use weatherproof stuff. But guys, this is the way it's supposed to be done, so this is the way you want to do it. Make all wire splices in a valve box. Now the way I plan it is all my wire splices are in areas that there's going to be a valve already, and so I'm going to have a splice there, so I pull my wire and plan my wire stuff to always come up in these valve boxes. Now if we have to have a wire splice out in the field that doesn't have a valve in it, go ahead and make that splice, but put a box over it. For one, you need to be able to get back into it sometime if there's a problem. But the two, you don't want to bury these things. You never can find it. You've got to try to trace it and find it later. And for the next guy, it's just going to be a nightmare trying to troubleshoot this system if there is a problem. And so really, let's go ahead and do it right the first time. Make all wire splices, for 2-wire in particular, but really any irrigation system, your splices on your wiring needs to be made in a valve box. That's good size, easy accessible, and don't put it in a valve box and then bury the valve box either. Make sure your valve boxes are level to the top of the grass or whatever, or ground cover or whatever that's there. Do that for your valve boxes too. So make your splices in a valve box. Can't stress that enough.